Here's how to remove voice typing on your Android keyboard. Now, if you're on your Android phone, and most people use Gboard, at the top of P you can see that little microphone icon. Now, if I press on it, you'll be able to see it will start to listen to every single thing I say, and it will start to type out what I'm currently saying. But maybe you would prefer that not to show up, or maybe you accidentally tap on it when you mean to tap on P, and it starts to just dictate everything. We can turn this off. An easy way to do that is in the Gboard settings. So an easy way to access them are to swipe up and just tap on search, and we'll search for the Gboard app and tap on that. This will bring you to the Gboard settings, and this applies to any Gboard on any app that you're typing in. What you're looking for is voice typing. You can see it is currently turned on. All I need to do is turn it off. And now if I hop back into here and start typing, that microphone is no longer there. So if I accidentally tap on above the P, it doesn't turn on the microphone. I hope this helps. If you wouldn't mind, take a second and leave your feedback down below in the comments. I'm eager to hear, did this legitimately help you, or are you still running into issues with your phone? Thanks, guys.